Hey guys, welcome to Syncios channel. Today our topic is how to print a message on iPhone. That is very easy to get and learn, so roll it up right now. First, download Syncios Toolkit from the official website. You can Google Syncios and then get to the download page. Then download Syncios Mobile Manager for a free trial. After that, you will get Syncios Toolkit downloaded to your computer and then run it. On the interface of Syncios Toolkit, please tap Mobile Manager to really start up Syncios Mobile Manager program. Go ahead, please connect your iPhone to computer until Syncios detected. Now, read the manual tab above. Here tap Information tab, and then click the message option on the left sidebar. Syncios will then access and load the message from your iPhone. Select the message of individual or group that you wish to print out, and you can see a print icon on the top right of the current window. Select it. After selecting, click on Print option again, and do make sure you have connected one printer to your computer. Sometimes, there are messages which the user wants to read on PC alone and print up them later. So, staying in the message management windows, select some or all the message. Then click on Save button among the functional list. You then will be able to save them to PC as HTML file. Afterward, you can open the message in PC local paste and read them with one browser. Also, right-click on your mouse, then it will pop up a print option. Okay, these are all we share with you today. Hope you like it. If you want more updates on mobile tips, don't forget to subscribe us. See you next time!